Surf club. This is so busy. Wow, super busy inside there. That's absolutely loads of things here. Customers inside there. Hello, how are you? It's a very popular restaurant, this. It's the name, mozzarella. Lots of customers. Hi. How are you? Some live music as well here. Just take in and show you the name. Here. Hello. I'm filming you drinking, yeah? Yes. Chicken pizza, Hawaiian pizza, veggies pizza. You can see there's quite a few customers inside there in the Zanzibar. This Buddha statue here. Also have a bar area here at the end. Coffee club by Anatara Vacation Club. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's 7 p.m. I'm here in the Legian area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a street walking tour along the street of Jalan Pantai Legian. So the street of Jalan Pantai Legian is basically the Legian Beach Street, runs all the way along the back of Legian Beach. In tonight's video, I'm going to start at the main gate entrance to 66 and Legian Beach areas and walk all the way through to the Melastay Beach Resort. As I'm walking along the street, I'm going to take in all of the hotel accommodations, all of the restaurants, bars, massage and spas, and just give you a general idea what you can expect from the street of Jalan Pantai Legian. So without any further ado, let's go and take a night stroll here in Legian. Okay, so this is a starting point for this evening's video. We've just come down the street of Jalan Arjuna, and this is the main gate entrance to Legian and 66 beach areas. Legian Beach to the left, 66 Beach to the right. We're not going on the beach in this evening's video. This is your parking area where you pay for your parking for cars and motorbikes if you want to park at the beach. So just in the left here we have Bali Amazing Travel. Tour booking office, also can organise flights and things, it says there. We have a mini mart convenience store on the left here also. We have Warung Naga here. There's a name up above there. Hello! Well, there's the inside of Warung Naga. Just next door to Warung Naga we have a Naga Mart, which is another convenience store. We'll just walk along here now. We have Kuali restaurant. There's a few customers in the back there. There's the main entrance. Hello, how are you? Can I just have a look inside, yeah? There's the inside of the restaurant. A few customers in the back there. So here's all your motorbike parking areas along the street here if you want to park and go to the beach. Just here we have Carla Day Spa. Wow, so many therapists here. Hello! I'm filming you drinking, yeah? Yes. That's there at Carla Spa. Just here we have a Circle K convenience store. It's just in the back there. It's also a relaxing area. Just next on the left here we're going to have a spa and the Farama exclusive. So the spa is called Ocean Beach Spa. I think this is connected with the Farama exclusive that we're going to come to in a moment. So here's the Farama exclusive here. There's a lobby area or entrance to the hotel. Just take in and show you the name. Ocean Beach Seminyak. So you have gate entrances to Legian Beach On the other side there, just here we have the Barrel Sports Bar. It's the name up above, the Barrel Sports Bar. Special beer bucket promo, 200k. It's okay, yeah. There's the inside. Very nice, flat screen TVs as well. It's your bar area to the right. Some customers sat out the front here. It's continuing on here. We have a little pizza place, food truck. There's all of your pizzas. Chicken pizza, Hawaiian pizza, veggies pizza. All very reasonably priced, not sure on the size of those pizzas. Just next door here we have the bungalow kitchen. We'll take you across and show you the name from across the street. There's the inside of the bungalow kitchen. Okay, so I'm just stood right across the street now, so there's a full view of the bungalow kitchen. Next we have the Zanzibar restaurant. We'll just cut back on the same side of the street for the Zanzibar. You can see there's quite a few customers inside there in the Zanzibar. That's the name up above, Zanzibar restaurant. It's actually quite busy inside the Zanzibar restaurant. There's quite a few customers at the front here, some in the back also. Hello! Next we have the Pavilion Surf Club. This is so busy. Wow, super busy inside there. That's absolutely loaded with customers. So busy inside there. It's absolutely packed full with customers in there. So there's a full view of the Pavilion Surf Club. Upstairs and downstairs, very busy there. We have the Ocean restaurant next along the line. Has an upstairs and a downstairs seating area also. A few customers in here. Hi. How are you? Some live music as well here. Quite a few customers inside there. Some little shops here along the side of the street. So the Legian beach entrance is also along there. Next we have the Hotel Jalan Pantai. The sand restaurant as well, connected with the Hotel Jalan Pantai. Very busy inside there also. Hotels in the back there. Let's continue walking along the street. Wow, super busy in there. This Buddha statue here. Also have a bar area here at the end. Next we have the Anatara Vacation Club. That's in the back there. Have the Coffee Club by Anatara Vacation Club. Very nice, few customers in there. Just continue walking along the street. Just on the end here we have La Casa Mexican. So here's a full view from across the street. The Coffee Club by Anatara Vacation. La Casa Mexican there. Continue walking along the street. I'm going to shut off the camera because we're just going to enter a little bit of a darkness section now. Nothing in this area. Okay, so after walking a straight line down from the Anatara, now we've arrived at the Jakarta Bali. see if we can go inside and have a look around here. So this is the resort facility. I've already featured this as a restaurant with a big buffet type eating area here, or some kind of eating area here. Swimming pool over in the middle there. So the Jakarta's quite a very big hotel resort facility stretched all the way along. I'm just going to walk again now. Okay, so just around about 100 metres down along Jalan Pantai Legian from the Jakarta, we have the away. Can't remember actually the name, I'll just show it you. But we have a little bar area here, and a DJ playing the music. Nice little seating area in there as well. This is the name. And then we'll just continue walking down the street now. So just on the left here we have a burger, pasta and pizza place. It's like a little warung type place this. Fish and chips, cold beer it says there. A little bit in darkness. A few customers in there. So the Oz Hotel is down along that side street there. Sorry, we're in very, very dark street here. Have a hotel facility on the left here, not sure whether it's quite a dark street this. So this is called the Hitana, owned by Bali Nixoma. So it is part of the Nixoma. Some customers in the front here. All along the side there, and then we have the mozzarella restaurant also. Here's an entrance to the Bali Nixoma boutique beach resort. There's the entrance in there. Have the Hitana restaurant here. There's quite a few customers inside there. Also have a drag queen show. Hello! There's lots of customers inside. How are you, brother? Lots of customers inside there. Now just round the side here we have the main entrance to the Bali Nixoma. That's the main hotel entrance there. And then just also attached with the Bali Nixoma, they have the Mozzarella restaurant, which is an Italian restaurant. I'm pretty much sure this is going to be pretty full. Super, super busy, the Mozzarella restaurant. Many customers inside there. Hello, how are you? It's a very, very popular restaurant, this. It's the name, Mozzarella. Lots of customers inside there. Let's continue walking along the street. Also have some entertainment and things here. So this restaurant here is part of the Puri Raja Hotel. It's a very nice hotel, that. Kundika Bar and Restaurant it's called. There's a few customers inside there. Just continue walking along the street now. I'll shut off the camera till we reach another area. Okay, so just down the street from the restaurant attached to the Puri Raja Hotel, we have the Melastay Beach Restaurant. This is also attached to the Melastay Beach Hotel. So just opposite the Melastay Beach Hotel, we have a gate entrance onto Legian Beach here. Just bring you in because it looks a little bit lively in this section here. Nice little bars, some tourists and things here. Some of the tourists are coming out here for the evening. Okay, so that concludes this evening's video, my night stroll here along the street of Jalan Pantai Legian, from the main gate entrance of Double Six and Legian beaches all the way through to the Melastay beach resort. So as you've seen with the camera in tonight's video, you've got a nice collection of hotel accommodations, some nice looking restaurants, also bars, quite a bit of massage and spa also along the street. All in all, this is just a really great street running along the back of Legian Beach. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed this evening's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, especially if you're staying in the Legian Seminyak areas of Bali. And I shall say bye for now.